Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gloria and this is Gloria's Home of Skill. Can anyone make pizza at home? Yes, you can make this delicious pizza at home. So in this video, we're going to be teaching how to make pizza at home, and it's delicious and easy as well. If you're a returning viewer and a subscriber, thank you for watching, and if you're a new viewer, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification for more videos so that you'll be the first to get my video, and keep watching. So guys, these are the ingredients for the pizza sauce. So we have here peppers, we have onion, we have tomatoes. So we are going to blend it. So just add a little bit of water for the blending. So in here I boiled the tomatoes. I'm adding in chicken seasoning, curry powder, salt and seasoning cubes. So after I give it a good stir, I'm going to set it aside. So I have green and yellow bell peppers and tomatoes. I'm going to use it for decoration. This is mushroom. This is the pieces one. So the second one is mushroom. So I'm going to make use of the two. This is yeast. Please, this is another container. So this is green olive and mozzarella cheese. I will advise you to go for the mozzarella cheese if you are looking for that drawing aspect of pizza. This is salt to taste. This is beef and sugar. So we also have sweet corn, and this is 4 cups of flour. So I have cut the mushroom and the meat into small chunks, and this is the vegetables. So I've cut them too. So this is the flour. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. So after that, I'm going to be adding yeast and salt. So guys, this is an instant yeast. I don't have to prove it because it's an instant yeast. I don't have to prove it. Yeah, I'm adding it directly to the flour mixture. So give it a good stir and add some warm water. The kind of water you are going to be adding into this is the type of water when you put your hand inside it, it's not going to hurt you and it's not going to be cold. So that is the type of water you're going to be using. It is warm water. If you have a mixer, perfect. It's going to make your work more easier. But if you don't have, you're going to use your hand like me till you get the proper dough. So this took me about 7 minutes to mix. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of vegetable oil into the pan mixture, and after that you fold and knead. always like my dough to rest a little bit before I come back to mix and flatten it. So use foil paper or anything you have to cover it. So while we are waiting for the dough to rise a little bit, please click on the subscribe button and like the video. It makes my channel grow, and it also makes me to know that you like this type of recipe and I should do more of it. So put a little bit of flour on the pan. This is the type of pan I'm using. You can use any pan of your choice. You can see how stretchy it is. The gluten has activated by itself and it's going to make me to make the shape I want. It's going to make it more easier. So the flour added to the baking pan is too much, so I have to reduce it, and using a rolling stick, I'm going to spread it wide. See, this type of ring is not necessary. I'm just trying to use it to get the type of shape I want and the size. So if you are selling it, if you are making the pizza for commercial purposes, you can use this type of ring, or I don't know, but it's not necessary. You can use, pizza, you can do it anyhow you like. So you can do it 4 corner. I also did 4 corner. I'm going to show it in the video. So this is the size I want. You know that pizza dough is elastic, so even if you're trying to spread it, it will keep pushing back. So but you have to tell it, no, we are making pizza. So in this point, I'm going to be adding in the pizza sauce. I'm going to be spreading it around. The pizza sauce is not going to be too much, if not it will make your pizza soggy. And in this point, we are going to be adding in the mozzarella cheese first. We have other mozzarella cheese that I didn't show in the camera when I was doing the introduction, so I'm going to show it later. So right now we are going to be adding mushroom. Guys, this is the first mushroom I showed in the camera when I was doing the ingredients introduction. So I'm going to be adding the second one later. So after that, we are going to be throwing in our onions and some fresh tomatoes. So guys, after that we are going to be throwing in our green olive. So look at it, this is a seedless one, so I'm going to be just adding a little bit. I'm not going to add too much. So right now is the meat turn. So we are adding in meat now. The beef, this is beef. So let's bring it more closer. I think the camera is not getting everything. So right now I'm going to be adding in the yellow and the green bell peppers. So after that I'm going to be adding more onions into the pan. This is the second mushroom I said I'm going to add later, so this is it. So I'm going to be adding in sweet corn. This is the second to the last ingredient I'm going to be adding into the pan. So after that, I'll grate some cheese, the mozzarella cheese. The second one I told you, this is it. So I'm going to grate it, add to it. Guys, this is our pizza. So I'm going to be preheating our oven. So after that, I'm going to put it inside the oven, and I have other pizza that I'm doing now, so I'm going to show it to the camera for you guys to see. I'm doing 4 corner and a round shape. So guys, this is the second pizza that I'm making. This is 4 corner shape. I'm doing 4 corner and a round shape. So the beautiful thing about making pizza at home is that you can do it anyhow you want. You can put, like the way I put cheese on that before I started putting all this cheese on top. I did not do it in this video, so you can see the way I'm putting it on top. You can do it anyhow you want. All these ingredients are not necessary. So right now I'm going to be adding in the pizza into the oven. The round one I'm going to be doing it later. So I don't want it to get burnt. I don't want to put it under the oven for it to get burnt. So guys, this is our pizza. So I'm going to be removing the ring. You can see the pizza is sticked on the pan. So right now I'm going to be teaching you behind the scene. There are some things that people don't show. I'm going to show it. If you can wait for your pizza to get cold, you're not going to go this process. But if you want to eat it hot, you have to follow me the way I'm doing it. Okay, just use a knife, follow me and do it. So after that, I'm going to cut it into pizza shape. I'm going to cut the other one into 4 corner. This is triangle. So our pizza is ready. This is what my pizza looks like. Oh my god, it is so yummy. This camera is not doing justice. It is so yummy. Like this video, please give me a good thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. It will make my channel grow and it will make me to also know that you like my video. Please leave a positive comment in the comment section and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.